Let's get to know the Oase FiltoClear pressure filters with integrated UV clarifier. 3 sizes of FiltoClear are available, the 3400, 5200, and 8200, with the numbers corresponding to the pond volume the filter is rated for without fish. For light fish loads, cut the rating in half. For heavy fish loads such as koi ponds, cut it in half again. For example, the FiltoClear 3400 we're looking at today can keep a 3,400-gallon pond without any fish clear, or a 1,700-gallon goldfish pond, and it'll keep an 850-gallon koi pond clean. The FiltoClears are inline pressure filters, basically a sealed component of the plumbing between the filter pump at the bottom of the pond and the waterfall or stream. They can be located at or above water level, with the discharge up to 6.5 feet above the filter. To minimize their impact in the landscape, most installers bury the canister of the filter up to the step below the locking ring, which must be left above the ground. Use an optional filter cap to cover the top of the filter completely. When paired with the approved filter pump, all of the FiltoClears with integrated UVC will qualify for the Clear Water Guarantee. All documentation outside and inside the box is printed in English, French, and Spanish. The box itself presents all pertinent specifications and a cutaway view on multiple panels. The manual starts with the usual warnings, then lists what's included, referencing a more detailed cutaway of the filter. Installation covers 2 different options, followed by a section on connecting and starting the filter up. There's a comprehensive maintenance and cleaning section that covers both the filter and the integrated UV, followed by a troubleshooting guide. The fittings included cover just about every installation option, with either 1.5 or 2-inch plumbing. Clear unions with blue flow indicator gaskets that move inside the fitting show the flow and clarity of the water, especially useful when the flow of clean water back into the pond isn't visible directly, or to see when the flow of dirty water out of the drain goes clear after cleaning. 3 single unions that glue into either 1.5 or 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC are included as well. A threaded cap and gasket seal the drain when the filter is in operation, and male threaded fittings are thoughtfully included to allow the capping of an extended drain line. Oase uses a bright blue to indicate any part you can move or interact with. A blue handle rotates the 2-position valve that selects between filtering and cleaning functions. The blue cleaning handle on top squeezes the internal foams to slough off wastes. A blue latch releases the UV assembly for maintenance, after loosening a security screw as a safety precaution. Inside the filter, stacked foam cylinders of different densities surround the inner core where the quartz sleeve protects the UV lamp at the center. With the valve set to the filter position, pond water from the inlet flows down around the foams, then through them, leaving debris to settle on the surface of the foams or fall to the bottom of the filter. The interiors of the foams support colonies of denitrifying bacteria that remove ammonium, nitrite, and nitrates. Then the filtered water flows down around the quartz sleeve and is irradiated by the lamp within before exiting and returning to the pond clean. To perform a routine cleaning cycle, remove the drain cap and rotate the blue handle 90 degrees to reverse the flow of water and direct the waste from inside the filter out the drain. With the pump running, pull the cleaning handle up and down several times to squeeze off the collected debris built up on the surface of the foams, aided by the flow of water from the center out. When the water runs clear, turn the blue handle back to filter and cap the drain again. The UVC lamp diminishes in output over time and must be replaced after 11 to 16 months in service, depending on the wattage. Check your manual for details. Lamp replacement on these FiltoClears couldn't be easier. You don't even have to turn off the pump. Unplug the UV, loosen the set screw and open the blue latch, then pull the UVC head and lamp straight up and out the quartz sleeve. The two larger FiltoClears, 5200 and 8200, are equipped with a cleaning rotor that accelerates the flow of water across the surface of the quartz sleeve, inhibiting buildup. But, like the 3400, their sleeves may also require periodic cleaning. The foams are also easily replaced when needed. And that's everything you need to know about the Oase FiltoClear 3400 pond filter, but we're afraid to ask. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.